Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this sweet little basket of kitties card. I think this is one of the cutest cards I've ever made. I love kittens and cats, and so when I saw the Cheerful Basket bundle with this cute little kitty, I knew I had to make kitties in a basket card. And so I've started off with a little bit of Tahitian Tide, and I'm going to just add a little bit of color to the middle right here. And I'm just going to start in the middle and then go out. And it doesn't matter that it was kind of rough there in the middle because I'm going to cover that up. But I just want to highlight the kitties in the basket. So now I can just layer it on top of some Tahitian Tide. And then I love to add dimensionals to this layer. Right, now we're gonna stamp a little kitty in Memento Black. And we're gonna cut the kitty out with the dies. So I'm gonna use my mini die cutter. So I have my cute little kitty, and I'm gonna color the kitty using some smoky slate. So I'm starting with the dark, and then I'll add the light. And then a little bit of pink for the ears. And there's our cute kitty. So we'll put some dimensionals on her. And then I have a whole bunch of other kitties, and I need to trim them a little bit. And I have my little basket ready. So we'll add the little basket, and then we'll add the first cute little kitty in the basket. And then we'll add the next cute little kitty in the basket. And then we'll add the gray kitty in the basket. And then we'll put this little kitty on the side like that. And the last little touch I want to add are some cute little hearts that are from the dies. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue, and then I've got these little hearts cut out of sweet sorbet. And I think it finishes off the card really nicely. So there is my Kittens in a Basket card with the Cheerful Basket bundle. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase either the Cheerful Basket bundle or the Sweetest Cherries bundle, so that you can make fun combo cards like this one using both. Just place an order for the bundle or $40 order using my current host code, and I will send you this card kit for free. Thanks so much for watching this video on the Cheerful Basket bundle. I hope that you liked this cute card, and if you did, please like my video and leave a comment, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.